So here's the bike I just got. It's a 1999 Yamaha XT225 and completely road legal, blinkers, headlight, all that good stuff. And we're gonna start changing some stuff on it probably tonight. I'm not a big fan of the graphics in the white. The rims are definitely gonna change color. It looks like a new headlight on there just because it's not faded at all. I haven't really done anything with it yet. I rode it for like 5 minutes yesterday, probably not even that. It was over 18,000 when I got it, so it's replacing the scooter. I was gonna get another scooter, but this was like the same price as a good scooter, so